everybody, P here. Welcome back to this video, and today I am in the strongest battleground. It has been a long time since I did a strongest battleground video, but that is nothing. My game and my PC, because I got something new for y'all today. My PC is cooked. Oh, yeah, I'm back. So we go into change. We go to all the way back. And we go to build mode. I got private server plus. Yeah, I'm so happy. And now let's go to mobile. And let's add all my movesets. By the way, like and subscribe so I can feed my family. Oh shoot, I forgot to clear periods. Hold on. I got this. It's so hard on mobile because to make stuff and stuff, you gotta double click it. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna show you my combo. First we have this. Oh my goodness, why is this so loud? Jeez. You can see this is kind of, yeah. Jesus. Hold on. 2, 3. I think that's good. Now let's see. Is that clear enough? I just ran these a name lane. So we have ONS. This is serious punch. Last fight with the now I need to play much. I'm not gonna do this. That's the move. Yeah, here he is, right? Fire! Let's see can I land fire this time. Okay, yeah, I start out with this. Definitely 1, 2, 3. I parry, right? Why can't I have that move? This is impossible. Do I have to go to the block again to clear my heroes? Why do I keep getting this when I kill something? I have to. One is just a longer name, but you can see this is the after image. It looks so cool. I missed. As you can see, it does that. And here's the second one. Wait, you want to see what this is? No. And cook? No. I don't have to see. Okay, fine. This is so long. By the way, cook is this. It's almost a one-shotted move with the fire and one. Plus the death roll ground area damage. Plus this. Boom. Actually, this is the one. I had to zoom out. Look how fast these are. I like the little because it's really cool. By the way, this is how fast C with the one number 5 is compared to number 6. You're too salty. By the way, if you don't hit, if you're not, wow, I'm using my burner. Oh, you're supposed to hit. Oh my dummy. The dummy is so weak. The serious punch is so powerful. See, what I have is when you spin, the serious punch go out. But I think since I'm getting lucky spins and hitting him, which makes it so what? And yeah. By the way, the 2 is an ultimate move. Show y'all on some. Hold on, let me just create y'all know because these guys are annoying. I'll just get up. Let me talk. He's stuck. Let it stuck. Okay, you can see the strength difference with the ice. Even though I'm called Fire Peak, I have a little bit of ice in me. Bow! This is my revenge for y'all killing me every single time I tried to do this. And here's when you don't hit this. I can just get away from you. 2 seconds. This move is for teamers, because I can keep this thing. Now we have C. I'm doing after images. He's stuck. What is my power? So do y'all like my moveset? You can't do anything to me. I never hit that. That's so cool. Wait, I never hit that. That's so cool. Down. Hit you with a... Over here, buddy. I missed this ball call. Get over here. Come on, can you get over here? Is this that move? What? Oh my goodness, this kid is so. Make sure to like and subscribe, yes, because I need to feed my family. Let's get to 10 likes. No, let's get to 59 likes.